Did you know? During the X Skills program, you'll receive the X Skills student course, packed with insights and information designed to help you thrive and guide you through your coaching sessions.
This course will teach you the foundational basics that will help you when working with your X Skills coach to develop your X skills.
Start your journey with an overview of executive functioning skills, what they are, why they matter, and how mastering them can impact your life, school, and career. Each module includes interactive activities and ends with a quiz to test your knowledge, ensuring you're learning and applying the skills as you go. Module 2 focuses on creating SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals that you'll use throughout your coaching sessions. In Module 3, you'll develop a time management system tailored to your needs, with plenty of tips to help you stay organized and on track, ensuring you reach your goals. Prepare for future success with Module 4, where you'll get tools and strategies to help you transition smoothly into the next phase of your journey.
Now that you understand the fundamentals of X Skills, goals, and planning, you're ready to start the next phase of the X Skills program. Your coach will be your guide and support person as you put the things that you have learned into practice.